Hello, my dear students. Good afternoon, all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at you. This is your Tezip sir, my dear students, and what we are going to do today, we are going to learn exercise number 11A. Yesterday we haven't left both question number C and D. Okay, so that both question today we are going to learn, and new topic today we are going to learn, my dear students. Its name is exploring perimeter. Which topic we are going to learn today? Today we are going to learn exploring perimeter. What my point, my dear students? Understood? I hope you all are understood. So this both topic today we are going to learn. Again I repeat, first of all we are going to complete the exercise number 11A. Exercise number 11A, my dear students, and then after we will move on further. Our topic is what? Our topic is exploring perimeter. But my points, my dear students, so this both topic today we are going to learn, my dear students. So now before starting our new topic or exercise number 11A, question number C or D, let's check today's code and then we will move on further, my dear students. So now I am going to present here today's quote. What is the today's quote? The secret of success is to do the common things uncommonly well. Understood, my dear students? Again I am going to repeat for you all. The secret of success is to do the common things uncommonly well. But my points, my dear students. Now I hope you all remember as per daily what I am told you. You know what is the name of this chapter? Perimeter and area. Okay, what is the name of our chapter? Name of our chapter is what? Perimeter and area. Got my points, my dear students? So this both chapter means this chapter, not a both, this one chapter we are going to learn, and this all concept and all definition we have done all. So my dear students, in perimeter and area, we have done the perimeters definitions, areas definitions, and how to find the perimeters and how to find the area. That all topic we have done. And then after we started the exercise number 11A, then what we started, my dear? Then started exercise number 11A, my dear students. Okay, in 11A, question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 is not a completed, full is half done. 2 questions are left, my dear students. So today we are going to complete that both question. Got my points? And again I am repeating you for you. Today we are going to learn new topic, exploring perimeter, and a perimeters worksheet we are going to follow today. Got my point? So now I am starting further here today's incomplete questions. So today's both question we have incomplete. Exercise number 11A. Exercise number 11A. Question number 4. Question number 4 is what? Find the perimeter of each of the following. Note down these instructions in your book. And I hope you all are, my dear students. I hope you all are, my dear students. Note down these instructions and important topic in your book. If you don't have any books, rough book or fair book, so do fast, take it fast, and note down these instructions, my dear students. And then after we will move on further, dear all. Find the perimeter. Question number 4. Find the perimeter of each of the following. What, my dear students? Find the perimeter of each of the following. Got my points, my dear students? So now we will going to start the question number first. What, my dear students? I am going to start the question number C. Today's first question and yesterday's incomplete is a question number C. Got my points, my dear students? So now I am going to write, first of all, put a heading. And then after we will move on, my dear. Note down these things, my dear students, in your book all. And so, my dear students, now I am going to write here the question number C. What I am going to solve here, I am going to give a details of a question number C. So, note down with me all dear. So, my dear students, now I am writing here the whole things. Okay, first of all, I will give you here the explanation of this sum. Okay, what we have to find here? We have to find the perimeter. Okay, now look at the image. Which image is here, my dear students? Which image is here? This is a farm. What my point? This is a farm, my dear students, and its farm is what shows. Farm shows a 4 side perimeters. See, 18 meter length and breadth are same. Means it's a square, or in square all sides are equal. Length and breadth both sides are equal, my dear students. What my points? Both sides are equal. Understood all of you what I am telling you? This both all sides are important for us, my dear students. So what we have to do? We have to do here addition or a multiplication. Addition, because of we have to find here the perimeter. If we have to find here the multiplication, so what we can use here? We use here the multiplication if we find here the area. So but here we are going to find the perimeter. Got my points, my dear students? What I am telling you? Okay, what we have to do? We have to do the addition here. Got my points? Understood, my dear students? I hope you all are understood. So now I am writing the whole things here. Length and breadth 18 centimeter, 18 centimeter, my dear students. Then after again 188 centimeter. Then after, my dear students, again 18 centimeter. Got my points, my dear students? Understood? I hope you all are understood. Now write again length and breadth of 18 centimeter. Got my points, my dear students? Understood? I hope you all are understood. So what we have to do here, my dear students? What we have to do here? We have to do the addition. So now I put a symbol of addition, my dear. Got my points? Understood all of you what I am telling you? I hope you all are understood. And then after, what we have to do? We have to do the here addition. Okay, so 8 plus 8. Okay, means 8 plus 8, how many, my dear students? 16. Okay, and then 16 plus 8, 24, and 24 plus 8, so how many, my dear students? 32. Note down this again. What I am telling you, my dear students? 8 plus 8 is equal to 16. 16 plus 8, do with your finger, my dear students. 16 plus 8, 24. 24 plus 8, how many, my dear students? 32. 32. 32 of 2 here, and 3 is a form of carry. I am writing here, my dear students. 2 here and 3 as a form of carry, my dear students. Is the 4 written, but not a 4, is a 3, a carry. Is the 4, is the what, my dear students? We put the carry. Okay, it's the carry, my dear students. Put my points, my dear students. Then after, now we do the addition again. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 1 plus 5. 5 1 plus 6. 6 1 plus 7. Okay, so seven. Put my points, my dear students. Understood? 7 centimeter. Understood? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. So my dear students, 18 plus 18 plus 18 plus 18 means 18 fours are 72. Got my points? Now we have to write as like that, my dear students. Understood what I am telling you? You have to write as like that. Got my points? Understood? I hope you all are understood. And don't forget to write this unit, because of this unit. Centimeter is a unit. Centimeter shows here the unit, and it's the very important for us, my dear students. Okay, don't forget to making a box, and don't forget to write this carry. This carry also. Got my points, my dear students? Understood? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. So now you note down this answer. I'll give you time here, and then we'll move on further, my dear students. You have to write up all things with me in your book, dear. Okay, what we have to find here? We have to find here the P. P means what, my dear students? P. Okay, they all telling to us we have to find the P, but P is what? P is actually perimeter. P is actually perimeter. Got my points, my dear students? Understood? I hope you all are understood. So now you note down this as like that. And further, my dear students, as we are going to learn properly length and breadth, and then after we add. Okay, so it's very easy for us, dear. You have to write now as like that. P is equal to 72. How can you write all? P is equal to 72, my dear students. In your book all, you should have to write these all things, dear, all in your book. Then after we'll move on further. So now here is 18 meter, 18 meter, 18 meter and 18 meter. So 8 fours are 32. 32 of 2 here and 3 as a form of carry. Again I repeat, 8 how many times 8 is here? 8 is 4 times here. So 8 fours are 32. How many, my dear students? 8 fours are 32. 32 of 2 here and 3 as a form of carry. Okay, 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. 4 1 plus 5. 5 1 plus 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. Okay, so answer is what? P is equal to 72. Got my points? Understood? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. So my dear students, now I hope you are writing all this sum, and then after we will move on further, my dear students. So what you have to do, you have to write the whole things, my dear students, in your book properly, and then after we will move on further, my dear students. Understood all? So see, this is my dear students. Okay, now I am going to move on further. Question number D. Let's check what is the question number D. D is a image of your favorite things. Okay, sandwich. So what is the perimeter of the sandwich? 13 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 11 centimeter. Got my points, my dear students? 13 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 11 centimeter. So my dear students, what we have to do? We have to do here the addition, and then after we will going to find the perimeters. Got my points all? So now I am going to write here the whole things here. 1, 3, 13 centimeter here. Then after 11 centimeter all. Then after 6 centimeter, my dear students. Understood all? Got my points? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. Now what we have to do? We have to do the addition here. See, 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1. So how many, my dear students? 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. 7 plus 3. 7 plus 3. How many, dear all? 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. Okay, 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. So 10 of 0 here and 1 as a form of carry. 10 of 0 here, dear, and then after what we do, 1 up carry. Okay, got my points, my dear students? Understood? 1 carry. Okay, so now we do the addition here of that row, this row. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Okay, so 3. Got my points, my dear students? Understood? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. Okay, got my points all? See. Now then after we will move, what we have to write? P is equal to 3030 centimeter. How many, my dear students? 3030 centimeter. Okay, dear all? Got my points? I hope you all are understood, dear all. Again and again I am telling you. See, this is answer. Okay, perimeter is equal to 13 centimeter. Got my points, my dear students? Note down this answer all in your book properly. Do fast all. And then after we will move on further, my dear. This is a sandwich and we have to find its perimeter. 13 centimeter, 11 centimeter and 6 centimeter. Okay, and 6 centimeter. So 13 plus 11 plus 30. Okay, 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. 20 plus 10, 30. So answer is what, dear? 3030. Got my points? Understood all? So then after we will move on further, my dear. So here we have done exercise number 11a, question number 4. Okay, my dear students, we have done exercise number 11a, question number 1 to 4. Okay, only question number 2 is covered. 3 and 4 we have done, my dear students. Question number 1, 3 and 4, that all question we have done. Only we have left question number 2, but we are not going to perform that question. So note down this answer, my dear students. So what to do, my dear students? Now we will move on further. Our new topic is exploring perimeters. Okay, what is exploring perimeters? Now I am going to give a briefly introductions of exploring perimeters. My points, my dear students? Understood? I hope you all are understood. So now I'll give you here new topic. Okay, exploring a perimeter. So now here we will going to learn exploring a perimeters by the one activity. Okay, so now first of all, what is this activity here for us? So my dear students, what is a new topic for us, dear all? Our new topic is what all? New topic is exploring perimeters. Got my points, my dear students? Understood? One new topic, its name is exploring perimeters. Okay, now I am going to read this topic. Let us understand a perimeter better by doing the following activities. Okay, let sorry, after completing this lecture, you have to do activity at your home, dear. Okay. So my dear students, now understand a perimeter by these following activities. Okay. So cut a straw of cut the straw of a different length, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Combine them to make a different closed shape. Record the perimeters of each shape. Got my points, my dear students? Here see 1, 2, 3, 4. It's done. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4 is done. And here is what? 6, 7 or 8. So we have to what? Combine them to make a different closed shape. We have to make a different closed shape. Understood? So now I am going to make a different closed shape. Okay, dear all. Got my points? What I am telling you, my dear students, you have to make as like that a different shape. See, my dear students, this shape. Okay, so inside this place, see 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have to mention only 4. As like that, you have to make a closed shape. So what we have to do, we have to cut the straw in simple. Okay, so first is how many, my dear students? 3 centimeter. Here is 3 centimeter. It's straw, all my dear students. And then after the 4 centimeter is large. So is what? 4 centimeter, 404 centimeter, dear all. Then after 5 centimeter all. 5 centimeter, my dear students. So I am going to mention here the 5 centimeter here. Okay. And then after here 6 centimeter. Centimeter, my dear students. So now I am going to write here the 6 centimeter. Got my points, all my dear students? What I am telling you here is 6 centimeter, and last is what? A 7 centimeter. And then after 8 centimeter. Okay, so I am only mention here the 7 centimeter. Then after I am going to mention a 8 centimeter. Okay, we have to cut this that all straw. Okay, and make a combine then to make combined shape. Means we have to combine, we have to close, we have to attach together. Okay, we have to attach the together and make, my dear students, a different closed shape. Record the perimeters of each shape. What? We have to record the perimeter of each shape. Okay, got my points, my dear students? Now we will move on further. See here, it's your hand, all fingers and thumb. One student places his palm, this is a palm, on a square lined paper. The paper outlines it with a pencil. See, outlines with it. This is all box with outlines of the pencil. Use a string so measure to perimeter of the drawing. Example, palm. You have to find the perimeter of your palm. See here, see, my dear students. See, it's your palm. Okay, so it's how many? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So approximate is the 4 unit. How many, my dear students? Approximate is 4 units. This is your palm. Got my points? As like that, what you have to do? You have to make a box as like that, unit box, and you have to draw any shape. Okay, and then, my dear students, you identify the perimeter. Then you identify the length and find the perimeters. Okay, measure the perimeters of the drawing plan. The same is repeat for the partner. Okay, so now exploring perimeters, I am going to explain in details in tomorrow's lecture. Only we have complete this 2 days exercise number 11a and exploring perimeters. Got my points? Understood? Now I will give you today's homework, then we will move on further. Okay, so what is today's homework, my dear students? Today's homework. Okay, you have to write exercise number 11a. Question number 1. Question number 1. Question number 2. Question number 3. And question number 4. One time in your book. One time in your rough book. For my points, my dear students, note down this today's homework. My dear students, today's homework is what? Exercise number 11a, question number 1, 3 and 4. One time in your rough book. Understood? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. Got my points? So note down this 2 days homework, my dear students, and then we will move on further. So thank you so much, my dear students. Okay, I hope you all wrote this homework. Okay, and compulsory you have to do your today's homework. Thank you so much, all of you. Thank you, my dear students.